Step into the world of outdoor fun with our Camel and Zebra Spring Riders. These delightful playground companions bring a whole new level of excitement to playtime. Each rider features a high-quality spring mechanism, ensuring a safe and enjoyable bouncing experience for kids. With the sturdy support bars for gripping and footrests for stability, children can bounce to their heart's content while feeling secure and supported. Crafted with the finest materials, our spring riders guarantee durability and longevity, providing endless hours of entertainment for little ones. Let your imagination run wild as you embark on thrilling adventures with our premium Camel and Zebra Spring Riders. It's time to bounce, laugh, and create unforgettable memories in the great outdoors.